Interested in cryptocurrency? Here is a 10-point guide on investing. Many top companies have begun to offer their customers the option of paying for their products using cryptocurrencies. As the cryptocurrency market is extremely volatile, it is always smart to start small. Cryptocurrency has become very popular among investors. Not only has the crypto market seen an increase in investors, but before going forward, don't forget to subscribe our channel. 1. Research thoroughly. As is the case in all money-related matters, it is important to do an adequate amount of research before you invest. Read all about the different types of cryptocurrencies before picking the one you choose to invest in. 2. Verify all information. As the crypto market is decentralized and unregulated, there are several scammers and fraudsters aboard. Do not blindly fall for investment schemes that promise great returns. Always verify before trusting. 3. Start small. As the saying goes, never put all your eggs in one basket. It applies to investments as well. As the cryptocurrency market is extremely volatile, it is always smart to start small. And pick only one type of cryptocurrency and stick to it until you feel confident enough to understand the market. Invest small amounts of money. Four. Rely on your own research. The cryptocurrency market is new for everyone. So, do not fall for the investment strategies of so-called market experts or social media influencers. Rely on your own research and chalk out your own strategy based on your personal finances. 5. Patience is key. The volatility of the cryptocurrency market knows no bounds. So, it is important to remain patient despite all the swings that occur. Keep your cool always, as it will help to make good decisions. 6. Create a new email ID. All cryptocurrency trades take place via various platforms that require you to create an account using an email ID. It is always best to create a separate one only for cryptocurrency trades and investments. This is to avoid any risk of a data breach. 7. Understand cryptocurrency wallets. Cryptocurrency can be stored in an online wallet as well as an offline wallet. For new investors, an online wallet is best. However, it runs the risk of being hacked. 8. Do not store all your money in a mobile wallet. While having mobile wallets is extremely convenient, they also carry the risk of being hacked and stolen. Hence, it is always best to not have all your cryptocurrency stored in a mobile wallet. 9. Read all about tax on cryptocurrency. As cryptocurrency is unregulated in many countries, trading in it could draw heavy taxation. Read all the information relating to taxes on crypto investments in your country before you begin investing. 10. Do not blindly jump on the crypto bandwagon. Comments: yes, cryptocurrency is very popular and has several people diving right into investing and trading in it. But that does not mean you should too. Thanks for watching.